Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs and some important information you need to know about the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro with the Sony WF-1000XM5. Like, what are the things that you actually need to know about both? So first thing first, when we are going to look here on the wireless charging case, they both have it. Also, battery life, this is going to be important. So you have 6 hours for Samsung with ANC on. Sony got 8 hours ANC on, so that's more. Also 7 hours with ANC off for Samsung, and with Sony you have 12 hours, so that's much more. And also we have 24 hours with case ANC on, and here you have 26, that's a little bit more. And then 36 hours with case and ANC off, and here you have only 30 hours. So in this regards the Sony, battery life is just better. Now the connectivity is a little bit better for the Samsung 5.4 Bluetooth. And then durability, so this is going to be another thing, is that the Samsung offers better protection, IPX57, comparing to IPX4. So this is another thing. And now what we're gonna go even further, like which one you should actually acquire. Now I'm going to sound really strange right now, but what I always encourage to do is that just try to listen to your intuition. I know it's all going to sound really strange, but there is something like really powerful when you can just tune with something within you, and it's going to always guide you what is the right purchase for you. So every purchase I do based on intuition. Like if I feel that these looks really good, I just go ahead and buy them. And I don't know how it's in your country, but in my country I can always return the product in 14 days. So you can actually buy both and test it out for yourself. That's the best thing you can do. And I just want to make this quick video. Maybe it's going to be helpful. Maybe you're gonna say it was completely useless. I was also researching what people were like writing, and many people said that the XM5 is just better comparing to Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So have a great day and goodbye.